In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install RedMagic GameSpace on any Android. By the end, you will have the GameSpace dashboard running with your games neatly organized. Make sure you are on a stable internet connection. And remember that when you install apps from outside the Play Store, you should only download from sources you trust. Start by opening your browser and searching for RedMagic Game APK. Tap the first result that looks relevant. Then scroll the page until you find the Download APK button. When you tap it, you may see a small warning pop up. Choose Download anyway and wait for the file to finish downloading. Don't worry if your device briefly warns you about this type of file. We'll handle the permissions safely in the next steps. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for Zarchiver. Install it. Then tap Open. When Zarchiver launches, tap OK and allow the app the all files access it requests. If you are asked again to confirm access, go back and tap Allow. Now navigate to your download folder. Locate the APK you just saved and tap it. If your phone blocks the installation, tap Settings on the prompt that appears and turn on the permission to install unknown apps for Zarchiver. Wait a moment for the toggle to apply. Then confirm any check marks or OK buttons you see. A small window may appear prompting you to update. Proceed and watch the installation progress bar complete. Once it finishes, you are set with the core app installed. Head back to the Play Store and search for Activity Launcher. Install it and open it. Tap OK if a notice appears. Then use the search bar inside Activity Launcher to type GameSpace or RedMagic Launcher. From the results, tap the GameSpace activity. Choose Create Shortcut and when prompted, press Allow so the shortcut can be added to your home screen. Go to your home screen and tap the newly created GameSpace shortcut. Inside GameSpace, swipe from the right or left edge to bring up the initial setup menu. And tap Start to confirm your first-time setup. You will now see the GameSpace dashboard. To add your games, tap the plus icon and manually select the titles you want to include. This helps GameSpace recognize your library for performance tweaks and quick launching. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, and you will have RedMagic GameSpace ready to go on your Android device. Thanks for watching.